Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta show us.
I'm a big fanboy for the E30s, man.
Yeah, you gotta tell us. Is this is it the 318?
Oh yes.
Oh, what?
These vagabond shoes are longing to stray right through the...
There you go. There's
Awesome.
your GTR ones, Sylvia's.
Thank
I'll
you.
go get some stickers and stuff for you and all the bolts,
Yeah.
and nuts and bolts. They all come with everything.
Yeah, awesome.
I wanna wake up in a city that doesn't sleep.
We just got back from picking up the 3 Sylvia fire extinguisher brackets from Russell at KAP Industries. He's an awesome guy, which we just found out. So now we've got fire extinguishers, which they've got already built in this bracket. So this bracket bolts on there like that. It's that simple. Let's go around and install it. This is proper teamwork.
Do you know what the white band means?
No, what does it mean?
Powder.
We should put the fire. Really? I love it how Jacob just gets straight into it. I was gonna stand. He's thinking about his. Thinking about his souvlaki. Yeah.
Is this as simple as you line it up and screw it on?
Yeah. It's gonna be the
Quick episode today.
Yeah.
Step 1, we remove bolts. And once the bolts are removed, you put them back in with the things in place. And that's the installation. Remove bolts, put things in, put bolts back, put, done. Put, done, you're done. Then you're done. Oh, yeah, so the bolts are going back in, and then we're done. Case spanner, it's the moment of truth. Oh, I missed. Oh man, that is so good. Oh no! Oh no!
Fire!
Fire! Help!
To find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. These little town blues are melting away.
Alright, so this is probably one of the easiest mods we've done to our car, and probably one that increases the safety the most. So these extinguisher brackets are really good. We'll leave a link to the website in the description, so if any of you guys want them, you can get them. If he doesn't have your car listed on his website, send him an email anyway, and he might be able to sort one out for you. Alright, I'm gonna have a little sit in it. Imagine if someone actually sat like this. You couldn't do it.
I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes are longing to stray right through the